Okay, let's start now. Yesterday, we started with an arithmetic series. And we talked that the series, it is a number, the summation of the sequence, the summation of the numbers. And also we said that we have two types of series. We have finite and infinite series. The finite, it is stop, and the infinite, it will not stop, it will continue. And the series, it comes like one plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 and so on. These are a series. It has a plus sign between the numbers. It doesn't have like commas like the sequence. And if this series is a stop, it will end. I will name it with an I will name it now with finite series. And if the series will not stop like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus etc., it will not stop. I will name it with infinite series. Now, and also we say that and also we talked about how can we find the summation of the series by using this formulas. That's the summation Sn. We name it with Sn of the finite arithmetic series. How it will be? It will be S of n is the first term plus the last term multiplied by the number of the terms over 2. This is a way how can we find the summation of the series. Now, and also we solve this one. How can we find the summation and evaluate each series to the given term? Did we solve this one? Number 48.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, please. Did we solve the 48?
Yeah, we solved it. Yeah.
And okay.
Oh, yeah, we solved it.
What about this one? A student has taken 3 math tests.
No.
No, okay.
No.
Now look at this one here. In this one here, a student has taken 3 math tests so far this semester. His scores for the first 3 tests were 75, 79.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher مو ظاهر عندي السلايد.
I think you have a problem. Not from me. The others, do you have the slides? Do you see the slides, sorry?
Yes, we can.
So حبيبة
ظاهر عندي السلايد اللي كنت عليها اللي هي number 48 و number 49.
I think حبيبة you have a problem because it's not from me. The others see the slides. You wait a minute. I'll wait a few seconds. You will see the second slide. So now, the student has taken 3 tests. The first one is 75. It's marked. The second one, it was 79. And The third one, it was 83. Suppose his test scores continue to improve at the same rate. What will be the grade on the sixth and the final test? Suppose that he make 6 tests, as you see here. The first one, he took 75, and the second one, he took 79, and the last one, the third one, he took 83. Suppose that he will improve himself, he continue at the same rate. So what his mark will be on the final, or on the sixth grade? On the sixth test, sorry. The grade in the first quiz is 75, and the second quiz is 79. On the third quiz, it says 83. What about in the sixth quiz? How can I find it? Who can tell me?
Using the
What?
rule arithmetic series.
By using what?
Find the fourth term and the fifth term. Yeah, the equation for arithmetic series.
Thank you. So if I want now his score on the sixth grade, only on the sixth grade, I have to use the arithmetic sequence, or therefore, let's say a sub n is a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now, where's a sub 1? The first term is 75 plus n. What is the number of the term? It is 6. So 6 minus 1 times. What is the common difference?
It is 4.
It's 4. I subtracted 79 from 75. So it is 4. So 6 minus 1 is 5 times 4 is 20 plus 75. So that we suppose that his sixth grade will be 95. This will be now his sixth grade. Is it clear how can I bring the grade on the sixth test? Yes, please, is it clear?
Yes. Yeah, and now we use the rule for arithmetic series to find all.
No, yes, I'm talking about A only. Is it clear how can you find the set?
Teacher,
Yes.
why can't we find the fourth term and the fifth term first?
Why? Can you please raise your voice?
Like just you want the sixth term, why?
I didn't understand. Can you please raise your voice?
Teacher, no, خلاص, nothing.
Repeat, Rose. I'm listening.
No, never mind, teacher. Now I understood it.
Here you have 75, the first one, the second one 79, the third one 83. He asked me to find the grade on the sixth test. That's mean what? The grade on the sixth test. That's mean A sub 6. From where can I bring A sub 6? And it's an arithmetic. I will go back to lesson number 2, and I know that if I want to find any term, any term in the arithmetic, I have to use this formula. Let's say A sub n is A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, now the second one. On the second one here, he asked me now, what will be his total score for all of the 6 tests? I'm talking about total score. Okay, total.
Oh, so it will be the
Sure.
geometry.
So what I have, did I use now A sub n or S sub n?
S sub n.
S sub n. I want to use now, I want to find now the total of the numbers. the summation of the numbers, the total of the marks. You know, how can I find the total of the scores at the end of the semester? I just adding all of them. Is it right? If I told you that you have 10 in the first quiz, 9 in the second quiz, in math as an example, 10 in the third quiz, and you get also 19 on the final. What is your total score from 50? It was 48. How did you know? You added all of the scores. Is it right? Yes, girls, please. Is it right?
Yes, teacher, it is right.
Okay. So here is the same now. I want to find the total score. I have to add all of the scores. It's okay. But I don't have the fourth and the fifth one. Is it important to me if I use this formula? If I say that?
It's not, because we only need the first term and the last term of our series.
Thank you. If I want to use this formula, I just need the first term I just need the first term and the last term. Where's the first term? It is 75.
The last term is 95.
And where's the last term? It is 95. How many quizzes did I have? 6 over 2. So because of that, I can say now the summation of the 6 scores and at the end of the semester is 3 times 75 plus 95. Is it 170?
Teacher, even if we don't have the fourth and the fifth term,
Yes. I can find the total score. 3 times 1 is 3 times 0. 3 times 1 is 20. 1 and 4. So his final score now is 410. If you want Rose to check that my answer is correct, or this formula is correct and it can work, at home try to solve or to find a sub 4 and a sub 5. How can you find a sub 4?
the arithmetic.
You find the a sub 4. A sub 4, it is a1 plus 4 minus 1 times d, which is 4. You can find also a sub 4, and you can find also a sub 5. After that, please add all of them and check if the summation is 410.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's go now. Now, before I go to the next slide, is it clear?
Yes.
Did you know now what's the difference between, and I know that I solved this practice before the problem, but I think this, as you are students, it will be clear for you what's the meaning of the sixth grade and the total of the scores. Is it clear?
Yeah, it is.
Now, go back to the problem. In this problem, you will have also the same idea, but I use the question to understand it more. Now, look here. Using the sum of the finite arithmetic series. A company pays a $10,000 bonus to salespeople at the end of their first 50 weeks. So there's a salesperson. He told them that after 50 weeks from the year, I will give you a $10,000 bonus. If they make 10 sales in their first week, and then improve their sales numbers by 2 each week together, one salesperson qualified for the bonus with the minimum possible number of sales. How many sales did the salesperson make in week 50 and in all 50 weeks? In week 50, I'm talking about exactly week 50. So I will use a formula, and in all 50 weeks, I will use another formula. Like his grade on the 6th test and his total grades in all the tests. Here is the same idea. In the first week, he make 10 sales.
It's the first 50 weeks.
So in the first one, he make 10 sales in the first week. We will name it with W1 as so in the week 1, he supposed or he sells 10 sales. Then he improved their sales numbers by 2 each week. What does it mean?
Is it going to be WN over 10 plus 2x?
I will repeat. Then he improved their sales. If they make 10 sales in the first week, that's mean A sub 1. Then he improved their sales numbers by 2 each week. What does it mean? Did you hear me?
Yes. So like it's 12 next week and then 14 and then 16. Like
What does it mean?
Is it going to be WN over 10 2n?
Yes, please. What does it mean?
Is it going to be WN over 10 plus 2n?
Teacher, can you hear us?
Yes, but I heard one, but her voice is so soft, so low. Now, Haneen, yes, I heard you, but the other, no. Is there any more talking? I'm asking you. If I'm asking
I think we've been talking until now.
I think this means that after a week it will be 12 and then after it's 14. Like the add 2.
Yeah.
here, they improve their sales numbers by 2. Sales number by 2. What does it mean? That's in week 2, it will be 12. In week 4, it will be week 3, sorry, it will be 14. So here, he improved their sales numbers by 2. That's mean D, the common difference here is 2.
Teacher, but they say that it's the first 50 weeks, so it's 50, then 52, then like that.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you repeat this?
Okay, but please tell Rose that I cannot hear what did she say. Can you understand what did she say?
Teacher, I say that the first week, there's 50 weeks, like the first 50 weeks.
The first what?
So, first 50 weeks. So we should write 50, then 52.
First what? Please wait, one by one. The first what?
50 weeks.
Week?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we should write 50.
Sorry?
So we should write 50, not 10.
Not clear.
It's not clear.
Teacher, are you talking?
No, no, no. So now I will repeat. Here now. In the first week, he pay or he sell 10. He make 10 sales. Sorry. In the second week, he told me that in the second week, his numbers of sales was improved, is raised by 2. So if the first one is 10, what will be in the second week? It will be 12 because it improved their numbers by 2. Then in the third week, it will be 14. I will add 2 also. In the fourth week, it will be 16 until week 50. This is now the question. Here, in the first week, it is 10. In the second week, is 12. The third week, it's 14 until week 50. Now, the first question here, how many sales did the salesperson make in week 50? He asked me now about week 50 here. How can I know how many sales did he make in week 50?
The arithmetic.
By using the arithmetic. I will say a sub 50 is a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now, did I have now a sub 1? The first day, the first week? Yes, it is 10. Now, did I know the number of the weeks?
Yes, 50.
Yes, it is 50. Minus 1. Times. Did I know now the common difference?
No.
Did I know the common difference?
Oh, it's
It's 2.
I can't find it.
It's 2. I will subtract 12 by 10. Or from the question, he told me that he improved their sales by 2. So here the common difference is 2. Then how many sales did he make in week 50? Let's multiply 49 by 2, then adding to 10.
98.
49 multiplied by 2 is 98.
108.
Plus 10 is 108. So he made 108 sales in week 50. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, can you repeat the last thing? You make the geometric series. I mean the geometric sequences.
Excuse me?
Did you make the geometric sequences in the last step?
The geometric sequence? No. This is an arithmetic.
I mean arithmetic sequence.
Sorry? Can you repeat,
Did
please?
you make the arithmetic series in the last step?
Yes, this is the first step. I find here how many sales did he make in week 50. In week 50, that's mean a sub 50. Now, in all 50 weeks, what does it mean by in all 50 weeks? In all 50 weeks, What does it mean? That means the summation of all of the cells after 50 weeks. The week 1 plus the week 2 plus the week 3 plus the week 4 until week 50, which is 108. That's we found it before. Then here now I have to find the summation after 50 weeks. What do I need? I need the first term, I need the last term times n over 2. Now what is the value of n here? It is 50 over 2. A sub 1 is 10. The last term, it is A, so 100. So how many cells did he make at the end of the 50 weeks? You just multiply, add 108 plus 10, which is 119, times 25, and the answer is 2,950. So how many cells did he make in all 50 weeks?
2,950.
They are 2,950. Now, how many cells did he make in week 50 only?
108.
108, thank you. So, the difference between them, like the previous one, what is his grade on the 6th quiz? You will find only his grade on the 6th quiz by using the arithmetic sequence, A sub n. But if I'm asking you about the total of his scores, you will use S sub n, the summation of the series. Here's also the same. How many cells did the salesperson make in week 50? That's mean only in week 50. At week 50, that's mean A sub 50. And how many cells did he make in all 50 weeks?
حتى تلد عدة الحامل حتى تلد. الحضانة بعد السن السابعة تكون لمن؟
Guys, what is this?
Miss Dina?
Eh?
No,
ايش حضانة ما حضانة؟ ايش فيه؟ Darien?
Teacher, how are grade 11 stuck with us?
I don't know. راح يفهمني أنا زميلي.
لأنه الحصة خلصت فإحنا دخلنا الحصة بتاعتنا.